Hello everyone, my name is Arun Soja and you are watching Innovative Technologies, and today I have Oppo F7 with me. So you can see here this is a box of Oppo F7 and this device is priced at 22,990 rupees only. So you can see here the specification is mentioned over here: 25 megapixel front camera, 64 gigs of internal storage and 4 gigs of RAM, 6.23-inch Full HD Plus display, and design is glossy and unique. So let me peel off this polythene. It is polythene wrapped over here, so it will take a little bit of time. Okay, so quickly we should go through the specification of the device. So it has a 16 megapixel back camera with single LED flash as well, and this device is powered by Helio P60 processor, which is very nice processor. You can compare that with the Snapdragon 660, so you will not have any problem in any kind of gameplay or in all. So performance will be very nice. So let me show you the box and the box content of the device. So it is seal pack. So let me open this first, and yeah, so you will have a look of device within a second. Just wait until I open this box. Okay, so this is Oppo, yeah. So this is polythene wrapped device inside the box. So just keep it aside and have a look at the box content first. So you can see here one more box inside the box, and yep, it is mentioned over here that it has a SIM ejector tool inside. Okay, yeah, okay. Oh, nice to see it has a new silicon cover as well, so you will not have to worry about the protection of the device. You are getting cover inside the box. Okay, and some paperwork which is there, and yeah. So now charging brick. So yeah, this charging brick is of wow, 5 volt 2 ampere only, so you are not getting here any fast charging support, so it's a normal charger. And yeah, this is earphone. So nice to see the earphones as well in the box. And yeah, earphone seems to be similar to the Apple's earphone. And along with that you are getting a data cable. So let me have a closer look on that. That is a type C or normal USB. Let me peel up this polythene. Okay, so this is normal USB 2.0, not C type. So here I feel bad about it, because nowadays type C should be there in such kind of devices. Okay, so let me have a closer look on the device as well. So this is polythene wrapped, and this device is of silver color variant. So let me peel off this polythene first. Okay, so yeah, you can see here the protection is already applied, screen protector, so you don't have to worry about it also. And here is speaker grill, charging point, and 3.5mm jack, and fingerprint, 16 megapixel back camera with the LED flash, and it is single LED flash only. And here you are getting volume rockers, up and down buttons, and left side. Right side you are getting power button and SIM ejector tray. Okay, and so let me show you on the SIM tray as well. Is it a hybrid solution or a normal? Okay, so yeah, nice to see that it has a card support as well, so you don't have to compromise with your memory cards. You can insert 2 SIM card along with the memory card as well. So nice to see this is not a hybrid solution this time. Okay, so let me switch on. Yeah, you can see Oppo along with the Android logo. Okay, yeah, Oppo. Nice to see device is looking good in the first impression. So let me set up it first. Language, next. Skip this, continue, more, agree. Face unlock I will set it later on. Wi-Fi, continue. Import data I will also do this later on. Set up as a new. Wow, welcome. Okay, so this is the first time boot of the device. You can see the display is vibrant, looking nice, and nice to see the notch at the front.
And I was pretty excited due to the notch display of the phone. And you can buy this device, and in the description below you will find the product link as well, and I will be back with the review of the device soon. So stay tuned on Innovative Technologies, and thanks for watching the video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like button and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Aruni Soja signing off. Bye bye, take care, and meet you again. Have a nice day.